Hello friends! Today we will cover with you why we prefer Python for test automation. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest news about tech trends and market in IT. When it comes to test automation, the first and one of the most difficult questions you will face is which language to choose for test automation support. Python, Ruby, C#, Java are just a few languages which will work fine with the automation framework. Despite this, all over the world, QA teams are actively using Python, especially in conjunction with Selenium WebDriver. While I'm comfortable using Java with Selenium, Python is still the best scripting language which can be used for test automation with this framework. Today, I will discuss 6 main reasons why test automation in Python in conjunction with Selenium WebDriver is a great option. So let's begin. First reason is that Python is concise and well readable. Let's take a look at a simple code snippet written in Python and Java that does absolutely the same thing. Do you see the difference? Most of you will agree that Python is one of the best programming languages when it comes to ease of writing and readability. Compared to other programming languages that can be used for test automation with Selenium, Python is relatively easy to use. Implementation that's easy to explain is always a good idea. Basically, that means the tests implemented as part of a test suite should be readable, descriptive, and easy to explain. Second reason, Python supports multiple well-developed test automation frameworks. PyUnit is a default Python test framework. Besides PyUnit, Python has a number of testing frameworks for Selenium. Some of them are widely used and you might know about them. For example, PyTest, Behavior, Robot, Testify. Frameworks like PyTest and Testify can be used for automating unit testing, integration, and system testing. The Robot framework is the preferred Python test automation framework for robotic process automation, or RPA. Behavior, a Python testing framework that is best suited for BDD, behavior-driven development. A wide range of frameworks can be easily installed with minimum effort, and they are very convenient to use in conjunction with Selenium WebDriver. Very few programming languages offer this variety of test automation. And this is another advantage of Python that makes it the best language for test automation. Last but not least, PyTest is the best Python test automation framework because PyTest can be used for all kinds of testing: unit, integration, end-to-end, system testing, etc. Reason number 3, very simple parallel testing. Parallel testing in Selenium is widely used to speed up the execution of automated tests on various combinations of browsers and platforms. All programming languages support parallel testing or parallel execution with the Selenium framework, but it's pretty darn easy to use in Python. Reason number 4, powerful and hassle-free reporting. Reports are one of the main components of test automation with Selenium because it is reports that provide the greatest visibility to the automated testing process. Reports that provide correct information in a concise and understandable manner can be sent to the stakeholders to keep them on top of the progress on the testing front. You can integrate reports with test automation on Selenium using PyTest HTML package. Test reports generated with Python HTML package provide visual content for easy comparison of the results. Reason number 5, Python suitable for both large and small projects. Python has a large standard library. The language has an object-oriented approach that helps you to create an easy-to-read code that does the work you need. It is easy to start automation in Python because the entry threshold is very low. The language is suitable for both large and small projects, making it the best scripting language for test automation. Reason number 6. Easy integration with CI/CD tools. Jenkins is one of the most popular open-source continuous integration and continuous delivery tools. TeamCity, Bamboo, Azure, Pipeline, other options that can be used in place of Jenkins. However, I would still prefer to use open-source Jenkins. Unlike other languages, Python does not require building per se, but a strong ecosystem makes Python, Selenium, and Jenkins a killer combination. While choosing the best programming language for test automation with Selenium is highly subjective, Python is by far the best scripting language for test automation. It is easy to get started automating in Python because it has a wide range of frameworks that can be used for unit testing, cross-browser testing, and many more. I'm sure you will enjoy automated testing in Python once you start using it. Tell us more in comments which language you prefer with Selenium and how you will rate it in comparison with Python. Happy testing, and I will see you in the next video.